So let us start our today's video with exercise 2.6. Ninth question. A man repays a loan at rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by rupees 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? Okay. Loan amount equal to 65,000. That is the principal amount is 65,000. Repayment through installments is 400 plus 700 plus 1000 plus 1300 because it is increasing 300 every month. So first is 400, then 400 plus 300 which is 700, then 700 plus 300 which is 1000, then it will go on. So A equal to 400, D equal to 700 minus 400 which is 300, Sn equal to 65,000 because the total sum is 65,000. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 60,000. It is given in the question. Okay. That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 65,000. So n by 2 into 2 into 400 plus 300 n minus 300 because a equal to 400 you know and d equal to 300 you know. So when you multiply d into n, that is 300 n, and d into minus 1 which is minus 300. Okay, that is equal to 65,000. Okay, so this 2 will go that side. I already told you when this side it is in divide, then that will go in multiplication at the other side. So n into 800 plus 300 n minus 300 equal to 65,000 into 2. N into 500 plus 300, that is 800 minus 300 is 500 plus 300 n will be the same, that is equal to 1,30,000. So we are dividing this whole equation by 100. We can divide both the sides by any number. So I am taking 100. So I will get 3n square plus 5n. I will bring this 1300 this side and minus 1300 equal to 0. And I am just factorizing it now. You see. So 3n square minus 60n plus 65n minus 1300 equal to 0, and 3n into n minus 20 plus 65 into n minus 20. I am taking 3n common outside and 65 common outside equal to 0. So that is 3n plus 65 is a factor and n minus 20 is a factor equal to 0, and 3n plus 65 equal to 0 means 3n equal to minus 65, n equal to minus 65 by 3. Okay. Then n minus 20 equal to 0 means n equal to 20. So these are the two values. Then 10th question. A brick staircase has total of 30 steps. The bottom step requires 100 bricks. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. Okay. And question is, how many bricks are required for the topmost step? Okay, we are going to find the topmost step. How many bricks we want to build it? How many bricks are required to build the whole staircase? Okay, the total, that is Sn. Okay, now you see these are the steps. Okay, so this has 100 bricks. So they have told that to the successive steps upon it, it will become minus 2 minus 2. Then that is, this step will contain 98, this step will contain 96, this step will contain 94. Like that, it will go on reducing by 2 bricks. Okay, 2 bricks means this 100, 98, 96 and 94. We are going to find till 30 steps are there in the staircase. So we are going to find S30 and the topmost thing. We are going to find the topmost steps bricks. Okay. So in solution it is 100 plus 98 plus 96 plus 94 till 30 steps. Okay. Here A equal to 100, D equal to T2 minus T1 which is 98 minus 100 is minus 2. I already told you it will go on reducing by 2. So n equal to 30 because it is given to find the 30 terms. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S30 equal to 30 by 2 into 100 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 2. Everything is given. We are just substituting to find the S30. So when I cancel it, it will get 15, and 2 into 100 is 200, and 29 into minus 2 is minus 58, and that is equal to 15 into 200 minus 58. Why I did why I took 29 here? Because according to BODMAS rule, okay, there is a rule called BODMAS. First we should complete the numbers in the bracket, the calculations between the bracket, then orderly we should complete the brackets, this one and this one the same. And D is next, after completing inside the brackets, let us come to do with division. Okay, there is no division in this sum, but I am telling you, next only we should do the multiplication. So I did 30 minus 1 first, because inside the brackets you should complete first. It can be any symbol and any calculation you can do, but inside the bracket should be completed first, then you should go to the division, then you should go to the multiplication, and then addition, and then subtraction. This is addition and this is subtraction. Keep this rule in mind. It is very, very useful in your life. Okay, so I did in this bracket calculation first, then in this, then I multiplied this both. Okay, you should not first itself multiply minus 2 into 30 and minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, it is very wrong. You will get less marks in the exam if you do that. Okay, keep it in mind, BODMAS rule. Okay, so 15 into 142 equal to 2130. So T30 equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 100 plus 29 into minus 2. Okay, that is 30 minus 1 is 29 and minus 2. So 100 minus 58. Okay, therefore the number of bricks required for the topmost, this is 42, topmost step is 42. Okay, the number of bricks required to build the staircase is 2130, that is Sn. Okay, 11th question. If S1, S2 and S3 till Sm are the sum of n terms of n terms of MAPs whose first terms are 1, 2, 3 till M, and whose common differences are 1, 3, 5 till 2M minus 1 respectively, then we have to show that S2 plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 till Sm equal to half of Mn into Mn plus 1. Okay, first term is 1, 2, 3 till M, and D is 1, 3, 5 till 2M minus 1, and number of terms is n. Okay, then sum of n terms is S1 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. Okay, because the first term is 1, so I am substituting 1 here. Then the D is also 1 in the first one, so I am substituting it here. Then like that you should substitute and go on. Okay, so till here Sm equal to n by 2 into 2 into M plus n minus 1 into D is 2M minus 1. It is given in the last term as D. Okay, I am substituting it. So S1 equal to, we have found now only. Okay, n by 2 into n plus 1. This 2 because here no calculations are there, only n minus 1 is there. So then we can remove the brackets, then we will get 2 minus 1, 1, and n will be the same, and n by 2 will be also same. Okay, so like this, if you go on removing the brackets, we will get S2 equal to n by 2 into 3n plus 1, S3 equal to n by 2 into 6 plus 5n minus 5, which is n by 2 into 5n plus 1, and Sm is n by 2 into 2m minus 2mn minus 2m minus n plus 1, which is n by 2 into n into 2m minus 1 plus 1. Okay, therefore S1 plus S2 plus S3 till Sm is n by 2 into n plus 3n plus 5n till 2m minus 1 into m into 1, n by 2 into n into 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus till 2m minus 1 plus m. So that is equal to n by 2 into n into m by 2 into 2m minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so now we'll do the multiplication. So I'm cancelling this 2. Okay, then we'll get n by 2 into m square, this m square n, and plus 1 minus 1 here itself it will get cancelled, and plus m will be there. So n by 2 into m square plus m, then half into mn into mn plus 1. Here I am taking mn outside. Okay, here also one n is there, so it will be considered inside. So I am taking mn outside, means when we take n from here, 1 will be remaining. So that is 1 by 2 into mn into, when I take 1m and 1n from here, that is mn plus 1m gone, so that is 1. Okay, hence it is proved.